Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create PSBT in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful privacy-focused Bitcoin desktop wallet designed for the advanced users. It gives you full control over your Bitcoin, supports hardware wallet like Ledger, Trezor, and Cold Card, and allows advanced features such as coin control, custom fees, watch-only wallet, and PSBT partially signed Bitcoin transaction. A PSBT is useful when you want a signed transaction using a hardware wallet. Use an air-gapped device like Cold Card. Share an unsigned transaction for signing elsewhere. So now let's create a PSBT. So in order to create a PSBT in Sparrow Wallet, first you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet. In the search, type on Sparrow Wallet here and open it. Over here you can either create a new wallet, open wallet, and import wallet. As I'm going to select this new wallet here and select create, and over here you need to go to the send tab, and once you click into this send tab you'll find on this interface that the recipient address, amount of BTC, adjust the fee rate if needed. If you want more control, you can select to this UTXOs to manually select coins, and after that, filling the details, you can click create the transactions. Sparrow will show you transaction preview. Over here you can find this into this transaction as well, and you can save the file PSBT to your computer or the SD card. Now your PSBT file is ready to transfer to a hardware wallet, move to an offline computer, share for signing in. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.